At my in-laws house, and I'm gonna film their garden and what they got growing. So here's some basil in my shadow. Here's my wife again. They got some woodland strawberries just like I do. There's a few ready there. I don't know what the hell this is, but there's a bunch of clovers growing at the bottom and you can eat those. Here's their herb bucket. There's like sage, different kinds of sages, oregano, lots of random herbs. Tomato plants my wife bought. More woodland strawberries, except they have a little bit of disease on them. I don't know if you see that white. Right on the leaves there. Yeah, my tomato plants got infected with that the other year. That really sucks. And it's hard to deal with, so hopefully these do okay. It's a bucket of lettuce, and it actually looks really cute. More herbs, cool viney plant things. Hummingbirds apparently like these. Alright, now let's take a little overview of their yard. It's really pretty. There's like a protected little wildlife thing back there. So they got lots of eagles, birds, little bunnies. Lots of cool stuff. Hot tub. Okay, now we're gonna go down and look at some stuff. Let's see, what's this thing? Doesn't say. But, you know, it's still pretty. See, they got ferns here. I like ferns. They always remind me of Jurassic Park, or anything prehistoric. Here's more of just an overgrown kind of weed bed, which I actually like. I think more people should do that in their garden. It's better for the bees and the birds. Here's a cute little greenhouse they got. Let's step in here. What do we got? It looks like tomato plants, sad basil, and some tomatoes on a tomato plant. That's cool. I don't know what these are, but interesting looking flowers. Later on, oh, the bees like it. There's a little bumblebee in there. Oh, there he goes. I'm gonna come back later with this app and identify a lot of this stuff. This is bay leaf. I got it's a big bay leaf tree. That's really good for you. There's some mint or something. I got a lot of stuff just randomly back there. And like I said, I'm gonna come back with this app and identify all this stuff. I think this is rhubarb right there. And see what's edible, because there's a lot of wild edible stuff around them and in their garden. It's a beautiful garden. I think ooh, look at these onions. Look at these. These are awesome, these little flowers. Throw them in salad, throw them in soups. But yeah, I think the garden's awesome. I like when gardens are like this. I'm not a fan of, you know, the super clean, has to be specific annual flowers kind of garbage. I like perennials the most. I like when plants come back. I love when plants fruit. Look at all that. This hosta is completely edible. Lots of parts of it, sorry, not everything, but the leaves are completely edible, and you can cook them up just like just like spinach. And there's some more over here as we walk close to it. This is a bigger one. Look at that. But yeah, they got a lot of areas to grow. They got lots of stuff out here. They could have a salad every day for free, just eating off of what grows randomly and what grows as weeds. And I mean, fuck, look at all those onions. I'm gonna have to make something with these later. Maybe like a pesto, except only with the flowers. That way the pesto has like a nice blue or purple look. Not blue, duh. Purple pink. I'm colorblind apparently. And here we go, last plant. Kind of cute. It's going all over the place, but cute.
You guys need suntan lotion?